Peace and love, everybody. This is Young Nas from iGotOptions LLC, and in this video I want to talk about paying attention to subtle movements that you see on your charts, as they could be super important later on in the future. And I'm going to show you a real example to explain what I mean. Alright, so I have up charge point on a daily chart, so that means each candlestick that you see represents what the stock price did in one day, right? So keep that in mind. Now, whenever you're looking at a stock, it's important to always do one thing: find the support levels and the resistance levels. So let me do that right now. So I see support right around here. This stock likes to go down to this price and start heading upwards. So I'm going to mark that on my chart. A resistance level that I see is right around here. Now, if I zoom out so you can get a broader image of what this stock is doing, you can see that the levels that I've drawn are pretty valid. This stock bounced off my support level that I drew once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and it's looking like it might be 5. And as far as my resistance level, it's also valid too, because look, it tested it once, twice, and it did break over my resistance level, but look, it bounced off of my resistance level and went up higher. So this is a valid resistance level. Now, with that being said, I have a general image as to how this stock is going to move, right? Whenever it touches this level and whenever it touches this level. However, there's some subtle movements that this stock made while being in between these two levels, which could have predicted some future movements. So let me show you what I mean. When we seen this stock break this resistance level, bounce off of it, go up a little higher, and then sell off, one would think to themselves, all right, it's just going to fall directly down to this support level right here. And that's not really true. What happened was it sold off, but then it started trading sideways for a little bit. Now, if you only had these two levels marked up on your chart, you might be thinking to yourself, why is this stock bouncing right here? The support level I drew is down here. And that's because of this little sucker right here. This subtle movement that this stock made created a support level. So if I draw a line right here where the stock bounced at, and we look to the right, this stock completely respected that subtle movement, right? Super subtle. Yet it became more clear in the future. So if somebody didn't pick up on that subtle movement, they may be thinking to themselves, why is this stock trading sideways now? It's too early. No, it's not. It's bouncing off of this subtle movement that it made in the past. So this is why it's important to pay attention to subtle movements on your charts.